Welcome to Alphamantraining.com live videos. So now we will talk about the motivation. That it's very important to actually know what you want and go after that. You need to focus on that, ignore everything what is happening else in your life, and just do that, just focus on that and go after that. So when results will come to you. This thing happens in Alphamantraining when a client hire us, and we fly to a client and we actually live in an apartment together. We rent apartment for training together. I mean, we focus our all time on training. We focus all our time what we have during the day just to training, and then that's why results come. Just imagine starting from waking up in the morning till going to sleep during the night. The all time we just focus on approaching girls, talking to them, overcoming approach anxiety, killing all your fears and other things. So that's why results come by themselves, just naturally, because we focus on that. We very focused on that. And if you're not achieving something in your life, it means someone or something is disrupting you, is disturbing you, and you just paying too much your attention to something or someone which actually doesn't lead you to your goal, to success. So that's why you need to actually to skip that and just delete that and just focus on what you need to do. So most of time when we are arranging training with clients, so they take holidays from their life. They actually taking 1 week off or 2 weeks off from their work, and then they pay deposit, and then it's actually the trainings are reserved, and then once the day of training comes, they have their full attention, and we just executing, because we are very focused. We know what we're doing, and during the training on a whiteboard we write our goals, what we're gonna do today, where we're gonna focus, and we give all our time what we have during the day, all our energy. That's why we achieve results. Simple as that. If you're not achieving now the results you want, it means the energy you spend on that is too little, or the energy which you are spending is wrong. Maybe you're doing something wrong, because one guy with right systems can spend much more less energy than a guy who doesn't know how to approach a girl, how to continue conversation. He can give his all energy during the day, but what he's doing is wrong, and it just girls they react negatively to him, and that's why it's just wasting of energy becomes. So your energy should produce your results. If it's not producing results you want, so it's actually you are dying inside yourself. The motivation which you are having just dying, and you will come to the point that you see this pickup or approaching women, it's not for me. I'm not getting results I want, I just quit, you know. So that's what is important in that. And you can achieve that. You can achieve, you can like concentrate your energy, you can focus your energy by reading our book, How to Become an Alpha Man, by watching our DVD, pick up online training courses, night game program, How to Dance with a Woman, From Approach to Sex in Resort, From Approach to Sex with 5 Different Girls, From Approach to Sex in the Gym. Those DVDs will focus your energy to the right path, and that will produce you results. So you will not waste your time, because otherwise you're just wasting time and energy, and your motivation is dropping down. So in previous videos we talked that if you're watching our coaches, if you're reading other authors' books, and those authors didn't provide the proof from approach to sex with 15 different girls, everything filmed, approaching, talking, and having sex, and everything recorded. So you cannot believe that author. It just will be wasting of time and wasting of energy. We have that those infield videos, from approach to sex with 15 different girls, from approach to sex with 5 different girls, so 5 girls in that product. There are some bonus also girl, 5 girls from approach to sex, everything recorded. From approach to sex version 2, our 5 girls, everything recorded. So in total 10 girls. And same day bank DVD, 3 girls. We had 5 girls, but some clients wrote that we should delete black girl and another one girl, I don't remember which, I'm not looking the best, so we did that. So all in all, 13 girls from approach to sex in the gym. That one girl illustrated, so 14 girls, and 15 girls in others DVDs. So we have the proof from approach text with 15 different girls, everything recorded. So that's why we can say that our systems work, because we proved that. That's it. So for example, you're reading our coach book and our author book, and he's saying some things what you need to change in your appearance or in your behavior, and you know, you go someday to approach a girl and you naturally try to implement what you read, and it's not working. You're losing motivation, you are losing the belief in pickup, in Alphamantraining, like it is destroying you. So quit, never read books, and never watch DVDs from authors who didn't show you from approach to sex with 15 different girls. 15 different girls. And that's it. So now we are going to meet a client. He will do beach game approach, and we'll concentrate on same day lay. If he will see the right girl, if it is not the right girl, he will take number. We will meet him. It is our fourth session. So I mean, it's very hot. I would say maybe in Celsius 25 degrees, so in Fahrenheit you should convert. So we wish you good luck. We wish you to choose the right material and to not lose motivation on pickup, to read the right material and execute on the right material. So see you until next time.